How to fix the YouTube error, "This content is not available, please try again." Now, I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on other devices as well. So the first thing you can do is try force restarting the page. Now you can do that by holding down the Control, the Shift, and the letter R on your keyboard. As you can see, this will now refresh the page, and you can check to see if your video is now playing. Now if it's still not working, go and click on View Site Information, and then select Cookies and Site Data. Now press Manage On-Device Site Data, and here you'll find all of your cached files. Now you need to go and click on the trash icon next to all of these different options. You can then press Done, and go and press Reload. Now if it's still not working, click on the 3 vertical dots in your browser, click on Extensions, and press Manage Extensions. Now if you currently have any Google Chrome extensions, you'll need to go and disable these. Now especially if you're using any kind of ad blocker, that will be the reason why you're seeing this error message. So make sure all of your extensions are toggled to off like so. You'll also need to turn off your VPNs by coming over to your settings, click on Network and Internet, and select VPN. Now just make sure you're not connected to any VPNs, and once you've done this, you should now be able to play the YouTube video.